gave her Fekomi, Dashes Chef Dami, a whooping 1 million naira.
You know, she came out and she said
she doesn't have money for security, so all her fans are disturbing her.
So shout out to the lovely donor who gave her 1 million to help in security. Well, we don't know whether she uses it for security. Chef Dami use it for security.
Maybe she can get police protection to keep us.
Not and congratulations, Chef Dami. 1 million, put it to good protective use.
But this one they said they put police from VIP. They said it's false anyway. It's fake news, so it's not true. So she can get personal body.
She can get personal bodyguard now.
I know I sound me, but I'm sorry. I could never mock the name of it. I'm not saying. I'm just. In fact, I'm done.